I'll be talking about cars and auto loans and how to get the best deal for your money. So basically, what type of cars you're looking for are regular sedan and SUVs, sports and luxury cars. And there's a huge difference when you're buying a sedan. Like if you're buying a Toyota Corolla, there is a higher chance of possibilities that like the auto dealers won't try to take too much benefit of you. It can and cannot be true. And if you're buying a Mercedes Benz, the guy would try to scam you a little bit, try to increase his percentage rates and stuff. And to avoid all these things, there are a few things that you should do, which I'll go over later in the video. But the most common things that I have seen, this is like a normal procedure. Like I asked one of my best friends, and what he told me is like he found a car which he really loved, went to a dealer. He went to a few dealers actually, and got the car for the best price. And I told him to ask for additional features like backup camera, sensors, and stuff like that, which he was really excited about. And he did got lots of features added in the car with some discounted rates. Like he got $2,500 less. After all, he went after all these things, after researching his car completely, getting all the deals and everything done. He went to get an insurance and loan, and he got an interest rate of like around 3%, which is quite high, but that's the best deal he was able to get. And he didn't get it from the car dealer, but because the car dealer's interest rate was around 4% at that point, and they said like he might not qualify for that rate if they did the credit check. So that's there. But he did get a good deal on his loan and insurance. So, but this is actually not the right way to do the things. There's a much better way, and I would say that like there is a correct way, to be honest. Uh, so first, what you need to do is find the car that you like, see how much down payment you can keep for the car, and then go from there. And I would suggest like keep 20% down at least. It will reduce your interest rate by a lot. Personally saying, it will save you a ton of money in your interest, and it increases drastically every time. Even for a 1%, you might see a huge difference. I'll show that later in this video, like how down payment affects the auto loan. But for getting a car, before you try to search for a car, search for auto insurance. Like how much, don't, for example, if you know which car you're buying, for example, I'd say Toyota Camry. It's like a $25,000 car. Try to see how much you can keep in down payment. 20% is around $5,000 approximately. So basically, if you're keeping $5,000 down, that's what you can afford. You need to, and if you want to stick to your budget, then go for it. Go to what do you call a bank, couple of money lenders. There are a couple of them available online nowadays, like Rocket Mortgages and all that stuff. They also do offer car loans. Go and search those guys, find a deal, find the price, find the interest rate, and be very persistent on like how much down you're going to keep. Inform them about that part, like you're keeping 20% down already. They might have some deals, like additional deals and stuff. So ask them about their deals, like if you're buying your first loan from them, like that kind of things. They always do have that. So make sure like you are ready on your side with the loan part. And for insurance, I would say like try to couple up, like bundle your insurance actually with your home insurance or your life insurance. What it will do is like if you have the same company for home, life, or auto, it will reduce your interest rate. Some companies like Prudential give 20% discount to people who have a life insurance and the auto insurance with them. So sometimes you might save a huge amount of money on that also. And to be honest, like don't try to tell them like you're just going to give them the money for any possible rate. You just need a car, because they'll just try to increase the interest rate. And I have seen lots of people do that mistake. and one day I saw a guy pay $4,000, the same amount for the car which my friend got, and he had a higher interest rate of around 4.5%, and he had a better credit score actually. But you cannot trust all car dealers, and it's a business, so it's better to be wise than just go blindfolded. Down payment is really important, and lots of companies do offer 0% down payment, which is a good thing. Like if you don't have anything and you are getting like a 0% APR for 0% down payment, it's an awesome deal. Go for that deal. It will save you a ton of money. But that's not the right way to do it, because like if you are doing 0% down and still paying an interest amount of like 1% or 2%, you'll still lose a lot of money. And here's a calculation which I did a couple of days ago. So if your interest rate is 1.99% for $20,000 amount of loan for 60 months, which is like 5 years, your average monthly would come around $350. So after 60 months, you'll end up paying $21,000. So you paid $1,000 extra at the end of the year, and that $1,000 could have gone and saved a lot of things. You could have buy a lot of things from that $1,000. Buy a MacBook or an iPad or anything. But if you pay like 20 to 25% down, here you can see like 25% down is like almost $5,000, and your monthly payments would go down by $262, which is almost $100 down, which is a huge burden for some people. Like, because if you keep adding $100 every month for something, and where else you can save that $100, it's a much better deal. You might end up paying like $720 in interest, but you will, at the end of the road, you'll still save $280. And from there you can buy lots of candies, I'd say. Plus, if you pay $90 less a month, which is a good deal, because it's every money that you pay less to a down payment always helps you. It reduces your burden, stress, and lots of things, and it always is, for me, it's always worth it to save a little bit money on down payments. Sorry, not on down payments, on monthly payments. So down payments are really important. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. More videos are coming like this. And also, if you have any advice for me, like what kind of videos I should keep, or if you want to know something about different kind of loans and stuff, please comment on it. I'll make sure, like I'll try to make new videos on those as soon as possible. Thank you.